Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: creating stunning text-to-image transformations using Adobe Firefly. If you've ever wanted to bring your text to life with captivating visuals, then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in.
First of all, open Adobe Firefly to generate text-to-image. Then click on Explore Firefly. So this is the home page of Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly has so many features like text-to-image, generative fills, text effect, generative recolor, 3D image, extend image, and many others. Now to generate image, click on Text-to-Image option. Here there are so many sample images. And if we roll over an image, we can see what that prompt will be. Like this tallest mountain in the world at night with northern lights, Baroque. Let us see the another one. A modern house sitting on an island in a pond surrounded by mountains concept art. If you want to use this image, but you want to change something in it, you can also do. Just simply click on this image. And write what you want to change in this picture. I'm going to write in red color. And then click on Generate. Here we have 4 images. Choose any of this and download this image from here. Here we have so many options we can create in photo, graphic, and art. They also give the options of aspect ratio. So we don't need to write in prompt about the ratio like we have to write in Midjourney. And here there are many options of styles, like theme, effect, etc. You can also choose color and tone of an image from here. Let us choose black and white and click on Generate. So here is slightly the background color changed. So this how this filters worked. Now let us write a new prompt here. A twin wealthy mage princess, glowing with fire and ice. And I'm going to choose photo. Then I'm going to select hyper-realistic from themes. Oh, let us remove the bulk and white color tone. So here are the result. If you want more variation of one of this image, click on the image. Select the icons of Show Similar. So it gives 3 more variation of this image. Now if you want to edit something on it like background or clothes, click on this option, Generate Fill. And then select Background icon. And here write what type of background you want. So here I'm going to write golden light background. Here they also give 4 options to choose. And still if you are not satisfied with this, click on More. And then download this from here. Now let us try the another prompt. A mouse. Wearing. Spectacles. And headphone. Holding mobile phone on his hand. And then click on Generate. Let us select the graphic option. It's really great. And then download from here.
So this is how we can generate multiples and amazing image with just simple prompt. In Adobe Firefly, we don't need to write prompt like a pro. That's why it is better than Midjourney. I hope you learned something for this video. If you want more tutorial so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.